Hi everybody. Of course you know that I'm always about creating really yummy, healthy meals for my family, especially since both of my kids are in sports and they're very active. So I found this amazing recipe. It is crunchy almond chicken with slivered almonds. Here's how it goes. Here's how you make it. 4 boneless chicken breast halves. Pound your chicken breast between 2 pieces of plastic until it's about 1/4 inch thick. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon Maranatha no stir almond butter. Make sure it's crunchy. 2 tablespoons natural low-fat mayonnaise. 1 clove of garlic crushed. 2 tablespoons cilantro finely chopped. 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. I just cut my lemons and made my own juice. Place chicken on a baking sheet and sprinkle with salt and pepper. Spread about 1 tablespoon of that almond butter mixture on each piece of chicken, and then topped with 2 tablespoons slivered almonds slightly crushed. Heat your oven to 375 degrees. Bake for 25 minutes. So the beauty about this is you can eat it all by itself, but I love to put it in a wrap and then wrap it up and put it inside my kids' lunch so they can take it to school and have a really healthy lunch. So of course, we'd love you to subscribe and comment below. Tell us some things you'd like us to make in the future. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.